Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to acquire knowledge about stock trading, like how to learn the different strategies, how to come up with your own strategies while trading in the stock market. To do this, now the way I've learned stock trading is that I've learned it by reading two books. Now let me show you those books. One is the technical analysis of the financial markets. It shows you different strategies, like what I've been showing you in the previous videos of mine, how to trade stocks regarding the support and resistance level, how to use different indicators. So it all shows in this book, the technical analysis of the financial markets. Well, there are two types of book with this name: technical analysis of the future markets. So use this one of the financial markets, because in this book it shows you different strategies of how to implement those. Like it's not a practical book, but it gives you a basic knowledge of how to trade in the stock market by using certain indicators, by using certain candlestick patterns, or by using certain pricing strategy. The rest you can learn from through YouTube or other social media platforms. Most of them I have learned through YouTube. So this was also helpful. This book was also helpful because it gave me the foundation for trading in the stock market. Well, it did help a lot with for me while trading stocks in the beginning, but that was not enough for me. So I had to uh, search on YouTube on how to how to apply certain strategies, and what are the different strategies that are applied by other traders as well. Now in this one book, the intelligent investor, it does not show you how to apply a certain strategy, or how to like support and resistance level. It does not shows that. But what it does shows that it gives you knowledge about how to do your research for a particular stock. Let's say if a stock, I will relate this with a story. Not It's not a story, but it happened in real life. So let's say if there was a company, and it's it start trading in the public. In the first day, stocks were hot. In the second day, it was also skyrocket, and the third day it even more skyrocket. But after that, when the person didn't have enough idea on how to run your company, on how to proceed forward, then that within 6 months that company goes bankrupt. So it shows you these type of things in this book. Also it also shows you, um, gives you um, the gives you knowledge of how to avoid certain mistakes while trading stocks, and also to look out for those the mistakes of the stocks or the companies that have been done by their administrations, to how can you avoid them. It also shows you that. Now in both of these books it didn't show you anything about risk management or diversification. It shows something about diversification in this. In risk management it also shows a little bit, but not that in detail, on uh, I learned I learned through YouTube how to apply the uh, how to apply certain how to apply your risk management and stop loss. It gives you a basic knowledge about these two books, gives you basic knowledge about stock trading. Other studies you can learn through YouTube, maybe through other traders as well, the successful trader and the professional traders, because they have their own strategy on how to implement a certain strategy, or how to trade a stock. They have their own rules how to trade that. Now, but whenever let's say you have learned a new strategy and you are not sure of how to apply that strategy, go ahead and backtest it, whether if it works or not. Now, let's say if that strategy worked for you. So if you want to apply that, that's that's good enough. But if you're not comfortable using it, no problem, just learn that strategies, keep that in mind. Maybe you will need that in the next stocks. Remember that there are certain indicators and certain indicator and certain strategy that apply to one stock, but not to others. So you will have to apply a certain indicators to particular stocks. Like it's the way that I use it. So those were some of the things that you need to consider while trading, before trading stocks. Now one more thing I want to tell you is that you'll use those indicators. Let's say you learned all of the indicators and all of the strategies. Only use those indicators with which you are comfortable trading, with which you can trade profitably. Use only those indicators. And to be more specific, do not use a lot of indicators on the charts, because it will definitely it will definitely confuse you, and your trading will be affected by that as well. So do not use a lot of indicators on the chart, because it shows you nothing of a jumbled lines and jumbled dots and lines and symbols. So do not do that thing. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.